world of motorcycling is an enticing realm filled with adventure, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a significant step on their journey into this exciting world. The Kawasaki Ninja 250, celebrated for its affordability, manageable performance, and beginner-friendly characteristics, emerges as an excellent choice for novice riders looking to embark on their two-wheeled adventure without breaking the bank. With its accessible power, sporty aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the Ninja 250 provides an ideal platform for beginners to begin their journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration without stretching their finances. Affordable performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 250 lies a refined 249cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of riding without straining their budget. Sporty design and dynamic aesthetics. The Ninja 250 boasts a sporty design that captures the essence of Kawasaki's sport bike heritage. Its dynamic lines, sleek fairings, and aggressive styling elements embody a blend of sportiness and style that appeals to riders seeking an adrenaline rush. Novice riders not only embrace the thrill of riding but also connect with the Ninja 250's sporty spirit. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the Ninja 250 is thoughtfully designed for rider comfort. It offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, comfortable seat, and reasonable footpeg height contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, twisty roads, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a top priority for beginner riders, and the Ninja 250 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and beyond. The Ninja 250's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban adventures and longer rides, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki brand create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novice riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the Ninja 250's sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 encourages skill development as novice riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Budget-friendly long-term riding. The Ninja 250 isn't just an affordable starting point, it's a reliable companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its budget-friendly price, manageable maintenance costs, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninja 250 for years to come. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to providing an affordable and thrilling introduction to the world of motorcycling for novice riders. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 250 offers an immersive gateway to the joy of riding without stretching one's budget. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja 250 as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, affordability, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.